to the lesson on semivowels in Sanskrit. The semivowels in Sanskrit are ya. A word that uses ya in Sanskrit is yajnaha, which means a ritual that is performed during auspicious occasions. Next, let's look at the next semivowel in Sanskrit. The next semivowel in Sanskrit is ra. A word that uses ra in Sanskrit is rataha, which means chariot in English. The next semivowel that is used in Sanskrit is la. A word that uses la is lata, which means creeper in English. The last semivowel that's used in Sanskrit is va. A word that uses the letter va is vanaraha, which means monkey. Thank you.